This is JD Hauseman, Technical Agronomist for Channel Seed in the Northeast. I'm here today to talk to you about scouting your fields in preparation for harvest. As we think about harvesting corn and soybeans this fall, we need to think about a couple things. First, we want to look for diseases when we're out scouting the field. This particular field behind me was sprayed with a fungicide, so you have to look really closely to find any leaf diseases in this corn. We also want to look for ear diseases that could be showing up on the ears that are growing in this field. And we also want to look at stalk diseases that would most likely start down lower on the corn. These are three main things we want to look at when we're thinking about diseases. As we're also scouting for harvest timing this time of year, we want to think about how is this corn drying down or is it dying down? Those are two different things that we need to think about. This will also impact our harvest timing. Corn typically, when it gets to black layer, is roughly about 32% moisture. And when we harvest corn to get our most productive yield, we want to be anywhere between 18 to 22% moisture content we want to be at to avoid any drying costs at the elevator. As we also think about harvest prep, other things we want to think about is your combine service. Have you looked at bearings, rotors, knives, etc. across your combine, or had your equipment dealer take a look at it? We also need to think about our grain decisions. Are we storing the grain on farm, or are we selling it right out of the field? Those are a few things that we need to think about as we get ready to harvest this fall. Again, this is JD Hauseman, Channel Agronomist from the Northeast. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local seed pro or your sales rep.